Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from She's Making an Impact.com, and I want to talk about how to prioritize your business when you're a busy mom, wife, human doing it. So you're a chef, you're a cleaner, you're doing all these things. So I got this question: how do you allocate specific and enough time to make a dream goal business come to life when you're playing so many other roles? The key is you have to be intentional and you have to prioritize it. It's kind of like if you want to get into fitness and working out, you have to put it on your calendar and set it as a date, kind of like a doctor's appointment. Like when a doctor's appointment's on your calendar, that's not something you're going to miss, right? It's the same thing with your workout. If you want to be consistent with working out, it has to be scheduled in. It's the same thing with your business. If you want your business to be a priority, you have to schedule it in. And so maybe you have it's hard when you have little kids, but maybe you have a 2-hour chunk during nap time, and that 2 hours is in your calendar and it's non-negotiable. Like, husband, this is my time. Let your family know that you are building a business. Let especially your spouse know why you're building your business. And so they know why it's important that you get that specific amount of time. And then if you can, outsource and delegate things like cleaning, or think about other things that you're doing in your daily life that somebody else could do. But the most important thing is treat it like a doctor's appointment. Treat it like something that you would never miss, and let your loved ones know how important your vision is and why you need that specific amount of time. You might need to get a nanny for a couple hours, right? You might need to make some sacrifices to make it happen. But if it's important to you, you'll find a way to make it work. So I hope that was helpful. Make sure to head to the blog, She's Making an Impact.com. I've got tons of free resources there to help you build your business, and I'll talk to you later.